Hi everyone, my name is Emma Core and this is my introduction post for this class. So a little bit about me, I am 20 years old. I currently go to Texas State University. I'm a senior there and I'm on the dance team at Texas State. I'm a Texas State University strutter. So that kind of leads me into my little fun fact about myself. I have been dancing for 18 years, which is a really long time. And it is my favorite hobby. It is the one thing that I truly love to do. It is all that I've done my entire life. It is all that I've known to do. So it is very crazy that I'm entering my last year of dance at my university. But yeah, my favorite animal is a hammerhead shark with the honorable mention of a stingray. I love sharks and stingrays. I love everything about the ocean. I have two cats back at home. Their names are Lucy and TJ. I think I already said this, but I'm from Houston, Texas. I was technically born in the Memorial City area, and then we moved up to North Houston a few years later, and that's where I currently live. Um, yeah, so I guess a few things that I am going to take from this class, or I would like to learn to do better, is to communicate more confidently. I feel like I have a lot of confidence whenever it comes to like personal conversations and one-on-one things, but I tend to get a little anxious and a little shaky and nervous in front of big groups of people. I've definitely gotten feedback about that before, and so I would just like to improve on that. Oh, my major is education. I am wanting to be a teacher once I graduate, and I definitely feel like being a good communicator is very, very important as a teacher because you need to make sure that one, you know what you're talking about whenever you are teaching your students, but also your students need to be able to understand what you're saying and how you're saying it. And I feel like having that confidence will show the students and make them realize like, oh, like my teacher knows what she's talking about. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.